got to see this.
You know, you charge too much for cable.
Yeah, it's not my department, dude.
It's not just a better deal. It's America's best.
The worst of Florence is headed for North Carolina, but we're not in the clear just yet.
The impact on D.C. will depend on the final track, as well as where and when the storm stalls.
From gas to hotels to time off work, what it really costs for a family to get to safety.
We verify the top communication tools that could save lives in an emergency.
Plus, what happens to your car after driving in floodwaters?
So we got a surprise for you all.
And our impact team steps in to keep this football team season alive. The News at 11 team is ready. Let's get started. We're tracking Florence and following its every move. Good evening, I'm Leslie Foster. We'll get to Topper in just a moment, but first, count on us to stay on top of this dangerous storm with satellite images and the latest information on your screen. Now, right now, more than 5 million people are in its path and under watches or warnings. We've got crews in Virginia Beach, Hatteras Island, Wilmington, and Myrtle Beach. Some 240,000 people have been ordered out of the Hampton Roads area. D.C. is now under a state of emergency, along with Maryland, Virginia, and the Carolinas. Now let's get to that latest hurricane advisory issued just moments ago. Take it away, Tom.
Okay, the track a little bit slower in terms of making landfall in North Carolina. Pretty much the same area of Wilmington. Still a monster storm, though. Winds are still 140, gusts to 165. I mean, it is really a monster storm, Category 4 to high-end Category 4 at that. The movement has not changed. So west-northwest at 17, and it's still about, we'll call it 660 miles east-southeast of Cape Fear. So here's the latest track. Now we're going to stop it here. So this is 8 o'clock on Thursday, Category 4. Remember, if this storm hits the Carolinas, North Carolina, as a Category 4, only the second in recorded history. First one being Hazel back in '54. We get to around now 11:30 in the morning on Friday, Category 4 making landfall around Wilmington. Now remember, this is the official track of the National Hurricane Center. After that, this is really good news for us. We talked about this earlier. The track is even a little further south and more due west once it comes to shore. That's great for us. Horrible for the Piedmont of North Carolina and South Carolina, but for us, it keeps the heaviest axis of rain south of us. By the time we get into Sunday, 8 o'clock, it is into right on the border of South Carolina and North Carolina, not just to the west of Charlotte. So that's good news for us. Really bad news for our friends along the Carolina coast. Hurricane warning still in effect, and we actually have a tropical storm watch for parts of the bay, extreme southern bay, south of South Point Comfort. That's way down south of our area and south of Newland. So the good news in terms of rainfall, you can see the heaviest axis of rain, Roanoke, Raleigh, and Hatteras. Not much up in our area. And the Euro, same thing, hammering the coast. We're talking 20, 25 inches of rain along the Carolina coast with this storm. So we still are going to have some impacts on D.C., okay, no doubt about that, but they're not going to be major. We think the showers and storms will still be here Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but the heaviest rain stays west and southwest. Winds could gust 30 to 40 in southern Maryland, and that's about it. And then some bay coastal flooding, but really not much beach erosion because the storm doesn't stall off the Delmarva. It stalls off North Carolina. We will come back. We'll give you individual rainfall totals over the weekend, and we'll talk about storm surge as well.
All right, the top official at FEMA says people in the path of Florence could be without power for weeks. The agency said today it delivered 8 million meals and bottles of water to the Carolinas and parts of Virginia. They've also got blankets and cots and tarps and generators ready to go. Many evacuees from North Carolina and Southern Virginia are making their way through the DMV in search of a place to stay. John Henry met up with several of them in the Fredericksburg area, and they told him trips like these don't come cheap.
I-95 is always packed around Fredericksburg, but Tuesday evening you could find even more cars heading northbound than normal.
Oh, it's been crazy. Everybody's flowing from the south up north, and it's been nonstop from South Carolina to North Carolina.
We met Jameer Smith and his family in Spotsylvania County. They decided to leave the coastal town of Jacksonville, North Carolina to be with family in New York.
How long have you guys been driving?
About 6 hours. A lot of stop and go. A lot of accidents.
For him, it was a no-brainer to get his family out of harm's way, but he said a trip like this can be costly.
Fill up gas here is like a full tank is like $30.